Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to walk you through how to set out of office in Microsoft Teams. It's pretty simple, so let's dive in. I'll be working off my iPhone in the app. I downloaded Microsoft Teams and I've joined on. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit your profile icon at the top left-hand corner of your screen. Mine says MO, but yours could be a profile picture, but go ahead and tap on that now. And then it gives you a couple different options. Right underneath your name and your number, it's going to say available, and that is telling everybody that you are available. If you want to change that, there's two different ways to do it. The first way is to set a status message so that anybody who emails you or messages you receives this message. So we're going to do that now. Right underneath available, it says set status message. Go ahead and click on that. Here, all you have to do is type in that message. And then you can put show when people message me. So basically anytime somebody messages you, you can have this set so that you can have that message shown every time somebody messages you. You can even have the option to turn it off. If you just want it set for like a lunch break, you can have it set for 1 hour, or you can have it custom, whatever you'd like. So once you're done with that, you can hit done and it will automatically save. The second thing you can do is go back to that profile button at the top left-hand corner and then hit the available. And then you can automatically change it just to help people out, to know that you're not available anymore, that you're away or appear offline, just to get the point across. If you guys have any questions on that, let us know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.